What's the best way to voice a diminished chord? Well, it's not always clear. The problem arises from the fact that you can't really invert them, because an inverted diminished chord is still a diminished chord in the root position. If you want your diminished chords to sound a little more expensive, adding color tones by employing chord extensions may not yield the expected results. As an alternative, remember that the diminished scale is made of alternating whole and half steps. That means that a half step below any chord tone is a color tone. Placing that note at the bottom of the chord will create a pleasing rub. It's a sound that's reminiscent of a drop 2 voicing, even though technically it isn't one. You can also voice your diminished chords by breaking them open. That will expose the 2 tritones that are contained within them, and placing a note a half step below any of those will also remind you that these are often dominant chords in disguise. And you can share that with someone who belongs in a Beat Kitchen class.